All right, one of the most important things that students learn in first semester organic chemistry is a set of reactions that I like to call the Big Four. And I know that sounds a little cheesy, but it's descriptive, it's distinctive, and these are four very important reactions. Within the Big Four are two types. There are substitutions. And the substitutions involve replacing one group with another. So these are replacement reactions. Now the replacement reactions fall in two categories. One is the SN1 reaction, and that is a capital S, a subscript capital N, and a 1. And the other substitution is called the SN2. That's a capital S, subscript capital N, and a 2. So none of this like SN1 or SN1. These are not how you write it. You write it like this, okay? And that's important because, again, you're communicating specific ideas. So one of the types is a substitution. The other type is going to fall under the category of eliminations. And eliminations form pi bonds. And there are two types of eliminations, E1 and E2. And again, it's capital E1, capital E2. That's not a subscript 1. It's not this. So, write it as shown. Okay. So, in general, our substitutions and eliminations are going to occur on alkyl halides. We'll see some exceptions, but these are going to be alkyl halides. Things like methyl bromide or 2-iodopropane, that kind of thing. And we're going to talk about these reactions in terms of the mechanism by which they occur. And in general, we're going to group the SN2 and the E2 together. And we're going to group the SN1 and the E1 together. These are going to, both the SN2 and E2 go together because they involve reactive anions. And the SN1 and the E1 are going to go together because they both involve a common intermediate. They're both going to involve carbocation intermediates. So that's how we're going to group these, and we'll now walk through these different four reactions, and we'll start with the SN2 because it is probably the most common of the Big Four.